Hey everybody, Marine Doctor here. I've got a 9.9 that the customer could not start at the lake after he'd taken it off the boat and stored it for the night. So what he'd actually done was filled his intake with oil, which then filled or went through one of the open valves into his cylinder and filled the cylinder full of oil. So a fix for this is simple. We're going to remove the spark plugs. We're going to let the oil drain down. I actually had a paper towel down here. We pull on the rope, cycle the engine around, move the pistons up and down, pushes the oil out. We replace the spark plugs with either new, or you can try the old ones if you wish, okay? And then top off the oil because you're going to have some running out as well as the stuff that came out of the cylinders. So you could be down a little bit. Once that happens, it's going to smoke once it starts, but that's the fix. So again, if you've hydraulic due to oil getting into the cylinders, it's definitely something you can do at the lake yourself.